I have my PJs in there because they're really warm. A sweater under this, jacket, my brother's leather gloves.
And we're gonna go outside.
Oh my goodness, my mom was right. Ah, it's freaking bright.
Oh. Wow.
Alright, so my mom cleaned a little earlier.
Okay.
My dog just said, come and get into me.
Wow.
My mom is not dying, she said.
¿Dónde está el shovel? Esta se llenó mucho. ¿La sacamos la máquina o no? Oh my goodness. ¿Dónde está? ¿Dónde está el shovel? ¿No hay otro acá?
No, you have to go get the one in the front.
Okay, here. Here.
Okay, even the little thingy in there got.
Pues no. Here. I'm gonna go get mine.
Okay. Right, sorry for all the moving, guys.
Alright, I'm out.
Later. I don't think I can shovel with a camera in my hand.
You're right.
Wow.
Well, just come over here.
Come on. Alright. Here, camina with this and make a camino for you and Donce.
Oh, yeah. You're right. Ustedes me hubieran salido para frente. No, ¿sabes qué? Me hace muy...
There's other people over there. I feel like throwing myself in there. Having fun.
I think we should take up a thing, dude. Look at, I'm literally...
That thing doesn't work.
I'm shoveling on top of the snow.
Well, girl, it's in layers. Ah, I got wet. Okay, then just walk on top and I'll do that.
I'm scared, I'm gonna fall.
Okay, we're Eskimos right now. Come on.
If I don't come out alive.
Come on, Donce.
Look at something was walking on top of it.
Donce?
No, look it.
Oh, I hope it wasn't like a freaking rat.
I'm scared.
Donce, come on, mama. Come on, córrele. Come here. Ven. Vente. Córrele. You're little. Oh my goodness, look at her. Come on, mama, go.
Look, she's walking where I'm going.
Go, mama, go. She's trying to find the smallest. Come on, mama, come on. We ain't gonna take your shower no more.
Look at her. She's walking where you're... Where... Oh,
come on, mama. Come on, mamacita.
Erika, no,
Ven, come here. Ven acá. Let me carry you, vente.
Look, it's literally from my knee.
Here she is. You cold, mama. If you could see like through the... I don't know. She's like trembling. Crazy stuff.
There's a little slide down here.
It is like a slide. Okay, see, you can see the depth. Not even. It's not even that high over there. Okay.
Okay, so this is high.
What's high? Oh, that looks high. That's cool. Alright, see, it went... Okay, look at her. My sister's pants. Got to turn around. She's 5 foot, what, 2?
Yeah.
And
Look,
they're above her knees. Go for it. Oh my goodness. Oh, Donce wouldn't have made it. Alright. Okay. Probably can't see this either. Now we're all cleaning or something. Alright, so I'm gonna go leave my dog and we're gonna say goodbye. And we'll post this like an hour later, so later. Come on. I'll stop recording when we're there. Mama, you wanna walk it? Wait. Come on, go. Córrele. Come on, let's go. Come on, córrele. Follow me. Come on, vámonos, come on. Vámonos adentro. Ven. That's how bad it is. Okay, I'm gonna have to carry my dog. Come here, Mama. Okay. Look at how deep these holes are. Look. Oh. Whoa. It's really bright too. Can you guys see that? That's where the garage goes, and then here. There's the floor. Here. There. I would jump in, but it's too cold. Alright. Bye, guys.